What if the phone in your pocket became the backup device, not the main one? Right now, on real people's faces, AI glasses are doing everything a phone does without the screen, without the pocket, without ever asking you to look away from the world in front of you. 10 pairs, all real, all available, all making a serious case for the day your smartphone becomes optional. Welcome to Best Futuristic Gadgets. Let's go. Number 1, the world's most iconic eyewear brand, Meta Ray-Ban. These look exactly like Ray-Bans. Nothing about the frame tells you what's inside. And what's inside is Meta AI, one of the most connected AI systems on the planet, answering questions, translating conversations, identifying what you're looking at, and connecting you to your social world without a phone ever leaving your pocket. Ask it anything. The answer comes through the speaker, quiet enough that only you hear it. Point the camera at a menu, a sign, a product. It tells you what it knows. Most smart glasses built impressive tech in frames nobody wanted to wear. Meta took the frame people already loved and put the tech inside. That combination, iconic design plus genuine AI capability, is what makes this pair different from everything that came before it. For years, smart glasses built impressive technology in frames nobody wanted to wear. Meta flipped that equation, and the result is the first pair of AI glasses that people actually choose over their other glasses in the morning. Number 2, two trusted names, one pair of glasses. Lucid Reebok. Reebok's clean athletic design, Lucid's smart eyewear technology, ChatGPT built in, voice-activated, always ready. Open-ear audio through bone conduction speakers in the frame, audible to you, inaudible to anyone nearby. For workouts, for commutes, for the hours when you want AI capability without a phone in your hand. Smart eyewear works best when it disappears into what you are already going to wear. Lucid Reebok achieves exactly that without compromising the design or the capability. Number 3. The only glasses running 2 AI systems simultaneously, Rokid AI Glasses style. ChatGPT and Gemini, both active, both available, before you finish forming the question. Need creative reasoning, nuanced conversation, complex problem solving? ChatGPT handles it. Need real-time search, visual context, Google's knowledge base? Gemini is already there. The glasses decide which system serves the request best, or you choose without switching apps, without unlocking anything, without touching a screen. Real-time translation, navigation in the lens, object recognition, contextual awareness for whatever is happening in your field of vision. The smartphone gave you one AI assistant. Rokid AI Glasses style gave you the 2 most powerful in a pair of glasses. Number 4. The AI glasses built for every ordinary day. INMO Go3. Not for demos, not for tech conferences. For commutes, meetings, errands, travel. The ordinary hours of an ordinary day. Real-time translation in the lens. Navigation without looking down. Hands-free calls. Notifications that arrive without lighting up a screen. AI responses to whatever you're looking at, all without a phone leaving a pocket. They look like glasses. Nothing about the exterior announces what's running behind the lenses. The smartphone divided your attention between a screen and the world for 15 years. The Go3 put what you needed exactly where your attention already was, in the world, right in front of you. And after a week of wearing them, going back to pulling out a phone starts to feel like a strange step backwards. Number 5. The glasses that changed the way travel works, Vive Eagle. Foreign city, language nobody warned you about, both hands full, phone battery dropping. Real-time translation overlaid on the world in front of you. Menus, signs, conversations, all processed and displayed in your language before you've had a chance to feel lost. Navigation projected onto the street itself, no looking down, no stopping mid-crowd, no 3-tap process before anything works. A built-in camera capturing moments without breaking eye contact with the people you're with. Battery built for full-day movement, not a few hours before you're hunting for an outlet in a foreign airport. Travel used to split your attention between a screen and the place you actually came to see. The Eagle hands both eyes back to the experience. Number 6. The glasses that finally got both halves right. RayNeo X3 Pro. Most smart glasses with great AI have mediocre optics. Impressive in a demo room, frustrating the moment you step into sunlight. RayNeo built the optics first, a full-color waveguide display engineered specifically for outdoor clarity, readable in direct sunlight, at sharp angles, in the conditions glasses actually face every single day. Then, Gemini, Google's most capable AI, running in real time, identifying what you see, responding to natural language, surfacing information before the request fully forms in your mind. Navigation in the lens, live translation, object recognition, environmental awareness. The best AI means nothing in a display you can't read when the sun is out. RayNeo built both right, and the result is a pair of glasses that actually works in the real world, not just in a showroom. Number 7. The smart glasses designed to be worn everywhere, confidently. Halliday. Most smart glasses have one problem no spec sheet mentions. You don't actually want to wear them out. Too bulky, too obvious, too much of a statement for a regular Tuesday morning. Halliday built from that problem backwards. Lightweight frames in styles that don't announce themselves as technology. A display system that projects information directly to your retina, visible only to you, invisible to everyone around you. Full AI assistance, real-time translation, navigation, notifications, all delivered in a package that fits a professional environment, a social setting, a first date, or a daily commute, without a single explanation of what you're wearing. Smart glasses only replace the smartphone if people actually choose to wear them. Halliday built the pair people choose. Number 8. The glasses built around one word. Useful. Mira. Not the most powerful AI, not the best specs on paper, the most consistently, practically, reliably useful glasses you can actually live with every day in real situations for real people. Battery that lasts a full working day, AI that responds in the situations that actually come up, not just the ones that look good in demos, a wearing experience that stops feeling like technology by the end of the first week. Smart glasses fail when they impress once and disappoint daily. Mira was built by people who understood exactly that distinction and built the most useful AI glasses ever made around closing it. Because useful every day beats impressive once. Every single time. Number 9. The smart glasses that look like you'd choose them anyway. Even Reality's G2. Premium eyewear design, prescription compatible, light enough to forget you're wearing them by the second hour. Nothing about the exterior signals what's running inside. No bulk, no announcement, nothing to explain to the person sitting across from you. Under that exterior, a micro LED display in peripheral vision, navigation, notifications, AI responses, and time, visible to you, completely invisible to everyone else. For professional environments, for social settings, for anyone who wants the full capability of AI glasses without wearing something that looks like they came from a tech convention. Most wearables make you choose between looking good and having the capability. Even Reality's G2 makes you question why you ever thought that was an acceptable trade-off. Number 10. The glasses built around what you hear, not what you see. Nuance audio. Directional microphones and advanced audio processing built into the frames, enhancing the sounds you want to hear while reducing the surrounding noise that makes conversations exhausting in crowded spaces. A voice across a noisy restaurant, a conversation in a loud office, the person speaking directly to you, clear, present, audible, while everything else fades to where it belongs. For people with hearing loss, for anyone who's ever leaned forward and said, "Sorry, say that again?" They look like glasses, they feel like glasses, and they give something back that conventional hearing aids, more obvious, less comfortable, harder to wear, never fully manage to deliver. the smartphone was built for people who can see. Nuance audio was built for people who want to hear, from something they'd choose to wear regardless. And in a category where most solutions ask you to compromise on how you look, Nuance Audio made sure you never have to. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.